Hey guys, magandang gabi. Um, so tonight magkaano naman tayo, Mr. Gene Velasquez and Darren, baby boy Darren Espanto. Akalain mo yun? Buti na lang may nag-comment dun sa mga previous videos na meron palang ganitong collaboration na naganap recently. So, medyo hindi ako sure. Medyo hindi ko ma-imagine kung paano mangyayari dito sa collaboration na to. Bahala na, no? So, ang title is Almost is Never Enough and Over Again. Hindi ako familiar dito sa Almost is Never Enough, pero yung Over and Over Again, alam ko yan. So, let's go! Sisigaw ko na agad, wala pa.
I'd like to say we give it a try.
Nice.
I'd like to blame it all on life.
Hindi ko nga alam yung kanta.
Maybe we just weren't right, but that's a lie. That's a lie.
We'll try to deny it as much as we want, but in time our feelings will show.
May
'Cause sooner or later we'll wonder why we gave up. Truth is, everyone knows. Almost is never enough.
Okay, ito pala yun. Runs. Like it.
We almost know almost is never enough.
Yung kay Darren may pagpibinata moment dun sa umpisa. Pero okay lang yan. Nice. Nice, nice.
From the way you smile to the way you look, you capture me.
Wait lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sa ganitong range, yung mga simplihan, chill, dito talaga nag-excel yung boses ni Darren. Parang punong-puno ng basta maganda. Yun. Maganda yung timbre ni Darren. Ulitin ko konti.
From the way you smile to the way you look, you capture me unlike no other. From the first hello, yeah, that's all it took, and suddenly we had each other.
I won't leave you, always be true. 1 plus 1, 2 for life, over and over again.
So don't ever think I need more.
I like it.
Want to live for, no one else will do. Yeah, I'm telling you, just put your heart in my hands. I promise it won't get broken. We'll never forget this moment. It will stay brand new, 'cause I love you over and over again.
Patay na, boom.
So don't ever think I need more. I know the one to live for. No one else will do. Yeah, I'm telling you. Just put your heart in my hand. I promise you won't get broken. Yeah, we're safe and new. 'Cause I love you.
Uy, sino yun? Sino yun? Si Darren. Wow.
Over and over again.
Nakakatawa. Hindi sila kasya sa frame dahil ang tangkad ni Darren.
Over and over again.
Sabi ni cameraman. Ako, balik. It's okay. Wait lang parang may sinabi. Parang proud mama no? Galing. Sabi galing. Galing. It's okay. Tama ba? Hanap tayo. Wala ba silang yung share sila sa frame? Yan na lang. Yan. Alright, pinagpawisan kilig-gili ko. Galing. So, ano ba masasabi ko dito? Ang galing nila parehas, pero alam natin na parang yung galing nila is galing talaga sa opposite sides ng spectrum. Kumbaga, si Darren, siya yung magaling sa chill, laid back na hanggang mid-range, ganyan. Kaya pa rin naman bumirit kahit pa paano, di ba? Tapos yung galing naman ni Miss Regine is lumalabas sa yung pang powerhouse, ganun. So parang itong performance na to, consistent sila parehas na si Darren is yung way of singing niya is chill lang siya. And then si Miss Reg is yung talagang pang powerhouse. Minsan nagwo-work, maganda yung harmony nilang dalawa. Pero doon sa parang patapos, medyo hindi nag-work. Ewan ko, para sa akin lang naman. Kasi talagang makikita mo yung difference ng volume and power nila, which is okay lang din naman kasi first performance pa lang naman ata nila to, di ba? Kasi di ba nung first performance din ni Miss Reg tsaka ni Mama Sara, parang na starstruck din si Mama Sara, di ba? So justifiable naman na ganito to. May parts na nag-work para sa akin, tas may parts na parang na-overwhelm lang din ako sa kung ano nangyayari. I think mas maganda kung yung kanta is sosolohin lang ni Darren and yung kanta is sosolohin lang ni Miss Reg. Parang hindi sila sabay. Yung merong version ng chill, tas meron din version ng pang powerhouse. Pero syempre kailangan mauna si Darren. Kasi alam naman natin lahat na pag kinanta na ni Miss Reg, mahirap sundan. 'Di ba? So, gusto ko yung way na consistent sila parehas. Magkaiba silang spectrum. Siguro experiment din to ng ASAP kasi 'di ba, si Miss Reg may iba-ibang artist sa kanyang pinapaduet. So, okay to. Para sa first performance nila together, okay to sa akin. Siguro isipin niyo na lang kung meron pang second or third, yun sobrang epic na nun malamang. Ano pa ba? Paano ko madi-describe? Siguro ang bosesan nila is si Darin. Ang makina niya right now is compare ko sa luxury car. Ayan, ganyan. Parang ganun yung makina niya. Luxury car. Ganda, suabe. Pero, nung dinikit kay Miss Regine, ang engine, ang makina ni Miss Regine kasi, pang eroplano. So, 'di ba? Makikita natin ang power difference. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin may mas magaling kasi pare sila nag-excel. Yun nga lang ibang spectrum, ibang ibang genre. So, pero somehow I liked it. Nag-work, may mga harmonies talaga na maganda sa umpisa tsaka sa gitna. Okay yun sa akin. Siguro pag nag-focus pa sila or nag-practice pa sila ng more na ganun, it will turn out to be great soon. So, I'm not sure kung may nakalimutan pa ako sabihin. And gusto ko rin yung itsura nilang parehas. Si Darren mukhang nag-graduate. Si Miss Regine, si mami niya. Para tas yung lalo na yung ending na parang proud mama si Miss Reg. So, alright guys, I hope kung meron kayong violent reaction dun sa observation ko, okay lang naman guys. So, tell me what you think. Ayun lang naman ay opinion ko. You know naman, I love Baby Boy Darren and I like Miss Regine. Both of them are good. Both of them are great actually. So, see you again next time. Bye bye.